Hello! Today we're doing outdoor reviews. So I got something new from AliExpress, and this is a helping hand. A helping hand is important for electronics because I only have two, and I usually need more to hold things, to solder things. So we'll see how this one here will help me with another hand. This is a very heavy package, so let's see how heavy it is. We have here a precision scale from Dr. Edgar kitchen scale. So quickly get it out. As you see here, with that you will be able to exactly determine how heavy this is. So what do we have? I think, let me see, yeah, it's heavy. Okay, now that we got that, do the actual unboxing. Well, look at that. That's in here. We have Crocodile clamps. We have these things. These are magnetic PCB board holder. 4 of them. And then we have this fancy arms. They're all magnetic, so we'll see how they stick together. And this is it's a very heavy piece of metal. It looks like you can cook a steak on it. So okay, so let's see if it's really magnetic. I'll get some of these things out. And wow, that thing, this is strong. I can lift the plate with it. So let's quickly get the other ones. A little bit like Christmas. New stuff. Always good. So now that I have these two, and paper we don't need, now that we have these two things, so if I would work on a PCB board, you see there's this little gap there, so I can use that to hold it in place, and that's rock solid. Yeah, no, it's perfect. The one thing out of the way, let's see how these arms perform. They already stick together like that. So there it is. Yeah, very magnetic as well. And yeah, so somehow we need to attach this to there. So let's put this here for now and see if we can assemble one of them. Oh, yeah, it's easy. Just plug them in like this, but there should be, yeah, see, this is the trick. There is you can screw this in here. And that will hold this in place. So now it holds it. The question is how good will it hold it? So let's say I do a probe, that, and wow, the magnet is so strong. I want to test something, right? I can do this. And there. Yeah, seems to work fine. Yeah, you get the idea. So this is, I will assemble that later. But this is my new helping hand. So lots of these. Just put them here for now. See, there are some that are a bit longer, some are shorter, and I hope it helps. Bye bye. See you next time.